In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open TradingView Screener. Whether you're on the TradingView homepage or already looking at a chart, the process is the same. The screeners live in the top toolbar, so move your attention to the very top of the page where TradingView keeps its main navigation. That's the quickest way to reach all of the platform's core tools without leaving your current view. Open the Products menu and select Screeners. This section gathers all of TradingView's scanning tools in one place. You don't need to switch pages first. The menu works from both the home page and the chart view, so you can get to a screener right when you think of it. Inside Screeners, choose the type that matches what you want to analyze. Pick Stock Screener if you're focusing on equities across global exchanges. Choose Crypto Coins Screener to scan individual cryptocurrencies. Use the ETF Screener to explore exchange-traded funds by theme, sector, fees, or performance. Select the Bond Screener to review government and corporate bonds by yield, maturity, and rating. Go with the Forex Screener when you want to filter currency pairs and spot potential setups across majors, minors, or exotics. And if your interest is venue-specific, the DEX CEX Screener lets you view assets through decentralized and centralized exchange lenses. Each option is tailored to its asset class, so you'll only see fields and data that fit that market, which keeps everything clear and relevant. Clicking any of those options immediately opens the screener for that asset class. You'll land on a table with real-time or delayed market data, depending on the source, and a default set of columns. From there, you can look over the layout and see how the results are organized. The key takeaway is that the path is always the same. Top toolbar, products, screeners, then choose the asset class you care about. Once you remember that sequence, getting to the right screener becomes second nature. As a quick orientation tip, if you return to TradingView from a different page, you don't have to start over. As long as you can see the top toolbar, repeat this exact sequence and jump right back into the screener you need. That consistency makes it fast to reach the right tool, whether you're comparing stocks, diving into crypto, checking ETFs, researching bonds, analyzing Forex, or viewing activity by exchange type. And that's all there is to opening the TradingView screener. Simple, direct, and the same from anywhere on the platform.